This is going to be like a beautiful journey or a hideous nightmare. Shayla Monique here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. Today we are going to be trying some new hair. Talking about a body wave. Y'all know Ocean Wave, it has been out and has conquered the world and everybody over it, but you know, like, I want a wave. I want like a body wave. Like, I want to feel like some Brazilian body wave or something, you know, but this is synthetic body wave, you know, whatever. Anyway, I want to give it a try. Now, I know it says it's supposed to be like braiding hair, but I feel like we can turn this into some crochet. So now I ain't gonna keep it as long. I don't know, I might have to, because I like the color at the tip, right? But I don't want to look like Cousin It. I don't know, but anyway, we gonna try this hair in some crochet and see what happens.
Perfect.
Also, if you want to know more information about the hair that I have on now, it is made by the Kima collection. It is her treasure line, and the name of this curl pattern is Chic. And there's a video out. I have an installation video out, and I also have a review video out on this hair. So if you want to know more about this, then go check out my other videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Okay, so I'm back. Y'all, this was a touch and go situation. If you guys noticed, I did not show you the actual installation. Why? Because it was a journey. It was in, you know, I was in uncharted territory, and I don't know, I had a few trial and errors. I really did. I had to call in, you know, for backup. Like, you know, I had my husband in here splitting hair for me because I'm like, I don't know, y'all. But, okay, so I will say this. It was a little harder to install because I guess this hair is really not intended for crochet braids, but I was pleasingly surprised that the knots were pretty easy to lock. I did use small sections. I can't tell you how many times I split it because this hair comes in a loose bulk and not in individual strands as normal crochet hair does. You know what? But I can show you. Hold on. Let me see. I got some color left. Let's see. And around the perimeter and in the top area, I used about this much. I apologize for my hands looking crazy, y'all, but it is what it is. See? I used about that much. And then when I got to like the back portion, I made them a bit bigger, but I didn't want to make them too big because I wasn't sure if it was going to slip or not. Because you know, y'all know how them knots do. So I probably used about this much for my back knots. And I did use the hairspray method to get them to lock. But I was very surprised that it wasn't coming loose before I did the hairspray method. So I'm not sure if it was one of those things where they would have worked their self loose, you know, as I'm flipping and twirling throughout the week, or was it going to actually stay? I don't know, but I didn't want to risk it. And so that's why I just went ahead and did the hairspray method to lock them. And as y'all seen, I was flipping it and stuff in the bathroom and I didn't have any kind of issues. So, I mean, the hair is soft, softer than normal braiding hair is. I'm kind of surprised about that. The actual wave itself that was in the pack, that didn't hold up, sis. I don't know. Like, I thought it was going to be more wave like it is. Like, if you put some Brazilian in, you know, the body wave, like, right out the pack. Like, you know, how it be looking. Like, that's what I thought. Like, in my head, that's where I was going. But somewhere we took a turn and the curls just wasn't there. But it did give me this, I don't know, this, it kind of reminds me of Freetress Appeal. And then it's the name of it, Freetress Appeal. They have a crochet braid pattern that's similar to what this looks like to me. But I do like the flow of it. I do like the feel of it. It definitely feels different from any other crochet hair that I've ever used. I guess what I'm going to do is keep you guys updated and check in with you throughout the week to let you know how this hair does. Okay, so we are in day 9 of this hair. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't wet it. I haven't used any products in it. All I've done is brushed it, you know, to try to get through the week. Okay. Okay, so what has happened is, see this? And I honestly don't know if it's because this is the colored hair, because, you know, when you get colored synthetic hair, it tends to tangle and mat more. And of course, the nape area is the worst area for matting for, you know, across the board for any kind of synthetic hair. Maybe it's a combination of the two. I'm not sure, but the back and the naping is a 10, okay? It is a 10. So, I don't know. But the black in the top area really hasn't been that bad. So, you know, I don't know. I still really like the curl pattern and hasn't lost its curl pattern. Of course, I have had to brush it every day, and I do so. Clean that off. I do so with like a detangling brush. And let me see, I brushed it a little bit already, but let me just show you. Ow, make sure to hold it firmly here. It's not bad right now because, of course, I brushed it to, you know, get ready for my day. You see this? Like, that's not how we started, you know? Like, see the black? And then see how this is so straggly here? It's really rough and stiff. It kind of reminds me of a really cheap synthetic like weft hair, you know? You know, that kind you see it back in the day. That's like $9.99 at a beauty supply store. In the 10-inch, okay, I don't care. I got it. I used to get it. And when it got really, really stiff. When it matted in the back, it got really, really stiff. But that's what it reminds me of. I mean, I just really love the curl pattern, the wave pattern, whatever. I really, really like it. I think if I was to do it again, I would do all black to see if that makes a difference in the the matting in the back, because it is substantial. It's something that you guys definitely need to know about before you decide if you're going to use it or not. Y'all, this hair is gorgeous. It really is. And I really want it to work out. Like I'm really feeling our relationship. I just need it to stop doing this matting in the back. All right, so I hope that it's not too much echo in this room. Y'all know I don't really talk in the bathroom. I only install in here because of the huge echo. So if you don't understand or you can't hear something that I'm saying, then please hit me in the comments and I'll answer your questions for you. However, this is just like a quick impromptu video to end this, to let you guys know what happened with this hair, because I'm about to take it out. So, yeah. All right, so what happened was, y'all see I cut it in a bob, because y'all know I be about that bob life. And like when I cut it, it took some of the weight off of the knots naturally. And when I did that, the back part started to slip. So as far as his hair goes, using it as a crochet hair, like I think it's fine as long as you keep it at a longer length. If you're trying to do a bob, make sure that you knot it several times, do the hairspray method. Girl, I would even like put some nail glue up in there to try to keep it, you know, on the parts that are gonna be like really short, because the knots will slip if there's not enough weight on the knot, okay? But overall, like I always get compliments on it. I still get compliments on the hair. I really love the pattern of it. I really haven't found any other patterns like this other than that Freetress A-Track, and that hair is really frizzy, and once it frizzes, that's pretty much it. But this hair, when it does start to frizz, like you can spray a little bit of water on it, brush it back out, and then you're good to go. Because like I've had this in for a couple weeks, and as you see, like it's not freezing. I'm sorry y'all, I'm looking crazy. I ain't got no makeup on. It's been a long day, okay? But yeah, so you can use this hair as crochet hair, and I think you'll be straight, but you may want to just keep it longer. As far as products go, I really didn't have a need to use any products other than water. The matting in the back, ain't nothing help that but brushing it out, and that's all you're gonna be able to do with it. Overall, I think it was good. Let me know you guys' thoughts and what y'all think. Let me know if you like it short, if you like it long, if you didn't like it at all, if you're gonna try it. If you do try it, tag me, because I want to see. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys later. Peace and blessings.